How do I set up split-screen co-op in Ghost Recon?
Hello, Ghost Recon fans. Today, we're going to tackle a question many of you have been asking: how to set up split-screen co-op in Ghost Recon. While Ghost Recon titles are known for their immersive and cooperative multiplayer experience, unfortunately, as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, split-screen co-op is not natively supported. However, we'll discuss some potential workarounds that might help you.
What is split-screen co-op?
Split-screen co-op allows 2 or more players to play the same game simultaneously on a single screen, with the display divided into several sections. This feature is popular in many multiplayer games, allowing players to team up and tackle challenges together. However, it's important to note that not all games support split-screen co-op, and as of my last training data in 2021, the Ghost Recon series falls into this category.
Does Ghost Recon support split-screen co-op?
As of 2021, none of the Ghost Recon games, including Ghost Recon, Breakpoint, and Ghost Recon Wildlands, support split-screen co-op. They were designed with online multiplayer in mind, which means players can team up and play together, but each player needs their own system and copy of the game. If there have been updates or new releases after 2021 that include this feature, please refer to those game-specific instructions.
Are there any workarounds?
While you can't play Ghost Recon games in split screen on a single console or PC, you can still enjoy co-op play. The workaround is to use online multiplayer mode. For this, each player will need their own gaming system, PC, Xbox, PlayStation, etc., and their own copy of the game. You can then connect over the internet to play together. It's not quite the same as split screen, but it does allow for cooperative play. While it would be great to have split-screen co-op in Ghost Recon, as of 2021, that feature isn't available. However, the online multiplayer modes offer a fantastic cooperative gaming experience. Remember, gaming is all about having fun, so grab a friend, start up Ghost Recon, and enjoy the tactical, immersive gameplay that the series is known for. I hope this guide has been helpful, and happy gaming!